Hi guys, and thank you for checking us out here at Black Stag Styling. Reason you're joining us for today, of course, is for the work we are doing, or the styling we are doing to the Mitsubishi L200. So it's a slightly older one, this, in like a dark blue, so a lovely colour, and we've got it in for quite a few different bits and pieces, to be honest. So we are supplying and fitting some new black side steps, powder coated black side steps. We've also got a new rollover bar with a high level brake light in that we're supplying and fitting as well. We are having Simon from Sign It Design come and do fit some decals that the customer has supplied, and then we are doing all the chrome to black, and a couple of silver bits as well, all to black as well, gloss black. So a few nice bits and pieces to this one, going to look really smart. So do stay tuned for the video, keep watching, let us know what you think. Of course, give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if there is anything like this we can help you with. Car styling, trucks, vans, anything, motorbikes, do give us a shout. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. And of course, like and subscribe to the channel. And then you stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. So, right, no more chatting. Let's get it into the workshop. So we'll roll the intros and get cracking. Here we go. Thanks very much. Okay, so here we have all the bits that are going on the blue Mitsubishi L200. So we've got the side bars, the black bars to go on, just running down there, and then we've got the kit for the like rollover bar. So this is a nice bit of kit. All these are all powder coated in the black. This has obviously got to be all put together and then go onto the truck. It's got some nice side sections which like are perforated, look really cool. And then the bars, of course, for the side sections. This is fully adjustable to go onto the back section, so that should look really cool. Yeah, we'll be looking to get this all fitted up very soon. Right, so we've got the L200 all in. Rob's got the rear door off it, or tailgate section. Simon's here now doing the decals for that as well. So it's having some decals along the rear doors, rear quarter sections of the buck, and then the rear buck door, chosen by the customer, and then Simon's sorting all that out with him. That's going to look really smart, added to the other bits that we're doing, of course, on the truck as well. Right, we're now over with Alan.
Yo.
And Tommy.
Yo.
Wicked.
Right, we are now removing this rear roller shutter, the L200, to fit some rear rollover bars with a high level brake light. Just here it is on the floor, look.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, should look pretty cool. Got these kind of mesh sides to it, a little bit different to normal.
Yeah, looks smart with the mesh sides, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like you say, a high level brake light as well.
Yeah,
Just about to see.
Wire that in, obviously.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Should look good. But yeah, can't knock back with the roller shutter, so this has to come off.
Superb.
Let's get it off.
Poised and ready to remove it.
Poised and ready, we're all undone. Top of your short feet. Just simply lift it off. Oh, what time? What's that? That's the one at the top. Yeah, that's your strap on. Your strap on stuff. Let's go up like that.
There we go, we're getting that all off and out of the way. We've had some decals done by Simon from Sign It. Customer chose these. The tailgate section's already been done as well with like a Union Jack design. Looking, so yeah, nice, looking nice, bit different, looking smart. There we go, guys got the roller shutter off. Easy, wasn't it, mate?
That was easy. I'm surprised it never fallen off before.
Right, so the guys are now stripping all the bits off the L200. The customer has decided to go with also having all the chrome sections done in a gloss black. So we've got the light surrounds on the back here, we've got the rear bar that I've just shown you. That's going to be powder coated in black because of stones hitting it. Decals are now all on by Simon from Sign It. Tommy's just over here stripping the door handles off because we've got the chrome door handles. So they're all now coming off. We've got the new sidebars to go on anyway, so they'll be replaced with the new ones. We're also doing the wheels in gloss black. Ad's just doing some weights over there. He's always waiting for something. Doing well, mate, doing well. Don't overdo it. You're going to pull something in a minute. Probably need to sit down now. Then we've got the bits on the front as well. So we've got the front grille, Mitsubishi badge as well, going in gloss black, lower silver section as well. Mirror covers, so they've got to be taken off. They'll be done in the gloss black as well. Yeah, so a few bits. Fuel flap as well. On the door handles, we've got these rear chrome sections, so we're just taking them off. They're only stuck on with double-sided tape, so we'll take them off and do the handles in the gloss black. Right, so the guys are now getting the rollover bar on, just lining it all up. Done all the riv nuts, haven't we, Tommy?
Yeah, got the riv nuts in. I would say look at our new piece of equipment, but I've put it away, so...
Well, that's good to hear, mate. He's put it away, that's what we like to hear.
Show you.
So, yeah, this is sort of a bit of a more universal rollover section, because there's not a huge amount available for the L200 from some of the companies. So this is more of a universal adjustable rollover bar, but it is quite smart looking.
Quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah, along with all the other black sections we're doing. Wheels are now off. Right, so Fraser's now got all the bits ready to be painted in the gloss black, all set up in the booth. We've got all the different bits. We've got our mirror covers, trims off the rear lights. We've got some door handles, all there ready to go. Back sections of the door handles as well, we're going to do them in the gloss black. Then we've got our fuel filler flap rear handle as well. Front badge, and other little bits as well, a bit off the front bumper as well, just sitting there. Some other door handle sections and some other trims. All ready to be done in the gloss black. So we'll let Fraser get cracking with these. Here he is, that. Here at the window. Hello! Right, let him get going. Right, we're now getting the side steps on.
Yeah.
The guys have just got to fit the bolt sections into the back of the steps so they can be bolted onto said vehicle.
Put the centre one on once it's on. Oh, okay.
So we'll start lining that up in a moment. Fraser has now got all the bits painted that were the chrome into the gloss black now, so just have a little look at them. Look. All the other bits are over here. Got some bits there. We've got a front section for the bumper. We've got the door handle sections that are over here. We've then got the back sections for the handles. It makes such a big difference these all being in gloss black. The other handle bits as well, which are just there. And then we've got the mirror covers and the back sections for the lights as well. There we go. So of course they'll all get a little bit of a denib and a polish. They are now all done. So they'll come out the booth in a little while because Fraser's got some other bits of paint. And here are the guys getting the side steps on. Again, these are a little bit of a universal sort of side step. They're powder coated in the black. You've got some little step sections that can be stuck on as well. The rear rollover bar is now on. Tommy's got that all on, haven't you, mate?
Yeah, boy. We've got the little light wired in, nice and neatly wired through the back here. You can see the wire goes down there, this goes behind there, and we've drilled a nice little hole, rust proofed it behind here, and wired it all in.
Superb, mate, superb. Looks good, that.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Smart.
It's kind of Mad Max feel to it, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit of a mad Tommy feel.
All like Mad Alex feel.
He's left Paul to it down there on his own.
It's the same old story. Same old story.
Right, so we're now getting all the black bits fitted back onto the vehicle. Of course, these were all in the chrome. So guys are getting all the door handles back in. We've got a mirror cover back on. Looking much better in the gloss black. A load of the other bits are all over here, so the guys, like I say, now getting everything back onto the vehicle. A lot of the bits in the grille are back on. Got the other bits over there, fuel flap and rear lock surround. And then all the other bits ready to get back on. Hello, pal.
Hi.
Hi.
This is my buddy Paul.
Fancy seeing you here.
It's personal.
Yes, don't tell anyone. Back section's all on now. High level brake light is all wired in as well. So yeah, it didn't have a high level brake light before, so now it has one. And like I say, all the other bits now to get back on. Hi guys.
Hi.
Come on, Fraser, give us a wave, Fraser, give us a wave. Right, rear bumper is now all powder coated and ready to go back on the vehicle. Fraser's got it all ready, so that's going to go on in a mow. In fact, right at this very moment, he's ready, look. Get this back on the vehicle. Starting to come together nicely now.
Hang on.
Most of the what were chrome bits but are now gloss black back on the vehicle. Right, we'll have a little look at the wheels, because the wheels are now all done in gloss black. Look at these handles as well. Oh, there's just so many black bits to look at. There we go, handles are all done. The back sections as well. Obviously the whole vehicle's got to be cleaned and polished. Mirror covers are all done. If we pan down, here are the wheels. So wheels are now all in gloss black. Looking so much better with the all-terrain tyres on the course as well. I think the front section's all on as well. As we pan round, there we go. Grille bits all on. All in the gloss black, including the lower section. There we go, all in gloss black as well. There we go guys, another video finished here at Black Stag Styling. Been a pleasure having you along for the ride with this one, and it's been lovely having a Mitsubishi L200 Barbarian in. We do loads of the Ford range and Wild Tracks, as you know, so it's been nice to have a Mitsubishi in on this occasion. And this has been for Mark, so very kind of him to trust us to do the styling and come and see us to go through the whole process and decide exactly what to do with his truck. So yeah, we've done quite a few bits and pieces to this. Let's start with one of the biggest jobs. So it was removing all the chrome from the vehicle and then prepping and painting it all in gloss black. So it's been the bits off the front grille. We then get the door handles down the side and the little back plates, wing mirror covers, bits on the back, the door handle surround on the back, and a few other little bits and pieces like the badges as well. So they've all been off, they've been fully prepped, because we have to be quite harsh with the prepping when we're doing the chrome, and then all done in a primer and then a gloss black, and of course all refitted. Then we've then done removed the side steps, we've supplied and fitted some nice black powder coated side steps. We've also got the rollover bar as well, so we've supplied and fitted that. That's all again a powder coated rollover bar with a high level brake light as well. So that's all been supplied and fitted by our good selves. We've also done the wheels and the gloss blacks. They've been fully chemically stripped, refurbished, powder primed, and then done in a gloss black to go with all the gloss black trims we've done. We've also got the rear bumper bar, that was chrome, that's been off repaired, powder coated in the black to give it the extra strength, and of course all refitted. I think that is everything that we've done to this one. Hopefully I've not missed anything. We're of course then giving it a wash, a few little finishing little touches as well, just to finish everything off at the end, and Mark will be here very soon to collect it, so hopefully he'll be nice and happy. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the old notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Hopefully check us out for another video. We're going to give you a look around the truck just to finish everything off, and we will hopefully see you again very soon. Take care. See you soon.